This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Holly Bryant. Investors priced well below market value. This 5 beautiful, wooded acres right next to Norris Lake is the perfect site to create your East Tennessee dream property. The cabin is in need of extensive repairs. Among these are new roof, HVAC, flooring, kitchen and bath rehabs, but with 3 bedrooms/2 full baths, master on main, and overall solid structure, it could be your lake community dream home. The tax records reflect 2,784 square feet, but measurements showed that is incorrect. Buyer to verify square footage. Property is private and land is unrestricted. Cabin is being sold as is and will need to be sold to a cash buyer due to necessary repairs. Occupied and will be shown by appointment only. For more information, review the details below or contact Holly Bryant at 865-693-1111.